Hey YouTubers, well this is one way of playing your old PS2 games rather than trying to convert it onto the TV. Oh, the sounds. I think Tekken's still in here. Just got this out, PS2 out of storage, so don't remember if I haven't checked the disc yet. Is there something? Oh yeah, there's something in there. Using my Video 8 camera because it's got the Therno inputs. Bit of a small screen, but you know, gotta work with what you got. Oh, classic. Brings out so many memories, this intro, this game. Quality looks great on it, doesn't it, when it's on this side screen? Right, let's skip that, let's get into a game. Characters. He's my favourite, I love the spinning kick he can do. Gotta love King as well. Oh, it's doing an auto thing.
Round one, fight!
Oh no, I did in fact accidentally press something. Alright, well, I'll leave the video here, but I thought it'd be entertaining to show you a cool way of enjoying retro tech PS2 gaming via a camcorder. I should add the actual way that I play the PS2 onto my modern TV is to plug the inputs, Therno inputs into the back of this DVD recorder, because this is one of the Panasonic ones which has HDMI out, so anything fed into there will then go through HDMI into the TV, and then you've got that ability to actually play these old games and on the old hardware, because TVs now have, for the most part, ditched Therno inputs, so there's no way of plugging this without some sort of converter into television. So having a DVD recorder with HDMI out, but most importantly with the Thernos in, gives me the ability to do this, and this is cool.